In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix a Cloudflare error in Google Chrome by clearing site-specific cookies. If you're seeing a Cloudflare error page when you try to access a website, the problem is often related to corrupted or outdated cookies that your browser has stored for that particular site. The good news is you don't need to clear all your browsing data or reset your entire browser. You can target just the cookies for the site that's causing trouble. Let's walk through this step by step, and feel free to pause and follow along in your own browser. First, open Google Chrome and go to the website that's giving you the Cloudflare error. Even if the site isn't loading properly, you should still see the address in the address bar at the top of the browser. This is important because we're going to manage cookies specifically for this site. Now look at the left side of the address bar right next to the website address. You should see a small lock icon. This icon indicates the connection status for the site, and it also gives you quick access to some site-specific settings. Go ahead and click on that lock icon. When you click it, a small menu will appear. In this menu, look for an option related to cookies and site data. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your Chrome version, but you're looking for the option that lets you manage or view data stored for this site. Click on Cookies and Site Data, and then choose Manage On-Device Site Data. And this will open a new window or a panel showing all the cookies and stored data associated with the site you're currently visiting. You might see several entries here, including different subdomains or services connected to that site. That's normal. What we want to do is remove everything related to this specific website, so Chrome is forced to start fresh the next time you visit it. In this list, select each item that belongs to the problem site, then remove or delete them. The button is usually labeled Remove or has a trash can icon. Continue doing this until there is no more data listed for that website. You're not affecting your other sites. You're only clearing information for this one. Once you've removed all the cookies and site data for the site, close the settings window or panel to return to your browser. Now refresh the page. You can do this by clicking the refresh icon next to the address bar, or by pressing the F5 key, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. When the page reloads, Chrome will treat it like a first-time visit, creating new cookies and site data from scratch. In many cases, this is enough to clear out whatever was causing the Cloudflare error, and the site should load normally again. If the error still appears, you may be dealing with an issue on the website's server or with Cloudflare itself, not your browser. But at least you've ruled out local cookie problems, which are one of the most common causes. That's all you need to do to fix a Cloudflare error in Google Chrome by clearing site-specific cookies.